All right, so take two. So we're taking two. Has some difficulties with the streaming. Yeah. So I apologize for that, guys. I was using some new software to stream with you, to stream for you guys, and it was golivestream.com, and it was not working. Garbage. Garbage. Thumbs down. Pretty disappointed on that. I do apologize for those individuals that tuned in and checked me out. I went back to my old school ways using OBS, Open Broadcaster Software, and I'm hoping the mic is you're able to hear me with no problem. Visuals, no hiccups or nothing like that. So let's start this the right way. So uh, for those that are joining, thank you for joining for the very, 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 very first episode of our new web episode of video podcast called The Server Room, TSR, right? It's all about the introduction and the pilot. I want to get some feedback from you guys because I'm planning to do this maybe bi-weekly or weekly. I didn't really advertise it to you guys because I was kind of hesitant with the hardware. Again, I got some glitches when I pushed it out to you guys because of the new software. And I'm hoping everything is going well right now. And I am checking, and it looks good. So I'm debating whether or not to do this on Saturdays in the afternoon during this time, which is around 3 to 4 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, or doing it on Friday, after working hours, after 5 o'clock, maybe 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock at night Eastern Standard Time. And it's just us chatting, talking about server stuff. I want to focus on Server 2016 because that's what's coming out. I want to show you guys uh, building it from the ground up, installing it. What's the requirement? Is the hardware in your LAN room and your server room is capable of handling Server 2016? This is what this video podcast is all about. Don't get me wrong. We're not only going to be dealing with Windows Server stuff. We're going to be dealing with what? MDT, SCCM. A lot of you guys have been chatting, emailing me about MDT stuff and SCCM stuff. I'm trying to focus more and more and more on my channel that stuff rather than doing a lot of laptop and computer stuff like hardware reviews. I love doing that stuff, but my passion is MDT, SCCM, Windows Server, networking. We're going to be dealing with networking. We're going to be dealing with a lot of stuff. Now, my lab is set up this way. I'm taking advantage of the ThinkServer TD340 that I did a long time ago and unboxing with you guys, and I didn't take the advantage of a lot of dust. And I said to myself, I need to use this machine some way. So boom, the server room came up. So I installed the ESXi version 6 because if you go to the site, the TD340 only supports version 4.0, so I pushed out 6, and it's been running with no problem, and 2 thumbs up on that. I got hopefully 4 people watching. For those that are watching, thank you for coming back. Leave comments right below. Let me know how everything is going. I know the very first stream was horrible. It sucked, and I was using a new software, which was cloud-based, and it wasn't working. So that sucks. So I'm going back in my old school ways. So I'm using the ThinkServer TD340 for our lab environment. Most likely, I'm going to remote into my home server and use those VMs over there. But for my primary lab with you guys, when we're doing all this, hands-on from the ground up, I'm going to be using the Lenovo ThinkServer TD340. I didn't do a RAID 5 on it. I took each individual hard drive and I made it a separate data store. I don't know why I did that, but I don't know. Right now I have about 40 gigs of memory, but it's right now it's only showing 31.97 gigs, which is okay. 16 CPUs. Oof. So this is the kind of machine that we're going to be using together. I think on the second episode, I'm going to start with Server 2016. The reason why I'm going to start with that is because that's what us technicians, us system administrators and network engineers, or whatever you want to call us, us IT guys, are starting to plan to upgrade our current servers. A lot of us are still running server 2012, and you want to take advantage of 2016, but you don't know what 2016 brings. This is what this podcast is all about. And I need your feedback. I need you guys to comment. Let me know how I'm doing. Uh, Let me know if you want me to continue this. I'm doing all this for you guys. I'm learning. You guys are learning. I want to learn all together. Let's build this community. Let's build this channel together, and let's just learn. Right? Let's just learn. Let's all get together and just learn new things. I'm not going to focus only on server stuff. I am going to be dealing with network stuff, how to configure network switches. I have a couple of network switches at my lab that I have to configure. Hey, I'm going to do a live configuration session with you guys, how to configure, how to assign an IP address, how to terminal in, how to use PuTTY. I'm going to do all that stuff with you guys. But it really depends on what you guys want me to do for each episode. At the second episode, I'm going to start with Server 2016. And if you guys bring out with any questions saying, hey, Bernardo, how do you do this with MDT? And if it's a simple thing, I'll wait until the next episode and I do it live with you guys. Or I'll probably do it like a video request and do a video, depending on how I feel. So got 6 of you guys there. I do appreciate the love for tuning in. This episode is not going to be long. It's going to be short. Again, it's an introduction and a pilot. I just want to get some feedback from you guys of how you guys feel. Next episode, I'm going to push out Server 2016. I'm going to build the virtual machine. I'm going to install it, core requirements, go over all that good stuff. We're going to be dealing with MDT. A lot of you guys love MDT. A lot of you guys always, I'm not going to say it's not a bad thing, but you guys do harass me or ask me a lot of questions dealing with MDT. And I love MDT because that's what I deal with every day. MDT, and SCCM. So why not help you guys out? I try to help you guys as much as I can. I'm not a guru. I just know how to do the basics. And that's it, man. I just want to know what you guys feel about this new video podcast. I'm going to start maybe bi-weekly, weekly. I want to know your feedback. I want to know what you guys think. What time should I do it? Should I do it on Friday? Should I do it on Saturday during this time? It's up to you. I want to work around your schedule because all this stuff is for you. A couple of updates to the channel. I am partnered up with Maker Studios. Maker Studios is kind of letting us go. They're only keeping their YouTubers that make a lot of money. Cha-ching, right? And I'm going to be dropped off. I'm not one of those YouTubers that make a lot of money. I do make some money, and that money is placed back into the channel. New hardware, new software, going to trips and doing all that crazy stuff for you guys. So I am looking into a new network. I have found a couple of networks that I'm talking to. Hopefully the transition would be pretty seamless, but it's not going to stop me doing more videos for you guys. So next week, I am pushing out a Huawei Mate 9 unboxing / first impression video. I got a couple of SCCM videos coming out to you guys. I'm finally getting up to there to push 1606 for you. And we're going to start pushing out customizing Windows 10 within SCCM. More MDT stuff because I love MDT. You guys love MDT. What else? Damn, I have so much going on. It's nuts. More Windows 10 configuration. I think April 11th, Microsoft is pushing out Windows Creator Update. So that's awesome. I'm going to try to get one of my virtual machines up to date, update that to Windows Creator Update so we could go over maybe what's new, what's not new, what's awesome, what's this and this. What else? Oh, I opened up the window for you guys to contribute to videos. If you guys are in a different country, you want to convert my video into annotations like different languages like Korean, Chinese, whatever language you speak, and you want to help other people internationally, go for it. Submit that stuff, and I will approve it, just to make our videos stronger and push it out to other countries. I'm not the best speaking English person in the world, but I try my hardest. I know my shit, Pardon my French. I know my stuff. Regardless, I don't hardly sometimes can't explain it, but I know my stuff and I try to help you guys as much as possible. And for those that have been there since the very beginning, giving me negative and positive feedback and just being there for all this stuff, I do appreciate all the love and support. Again, this is the very first episode, and I can't wait until you guys tell me what you want me to do. But I'm leaning towards the second episode starting with Server 2016. I want to know if you guys are comfortable doing it during this time, every Saturday or maybe every Friday. So let me know at the comment section. And that's it, guys, man. I see you guys on the next episode, and I'm really excited about this. This is really awesome. I got the infrastructure already built for us to create these servers and network and all that good stuff. Just stay tuned, and thank you so much. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.